Okay, so let's get started with our live stream, guys. Connected myself with everything. Here we welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host at zbit.com. This is not a private independent channel where I go live for doing trading and every of the stuffs. No, this is not regarding though. This is regarding zbit.com. I have successfully connected myself with, yeah, zbit. You can see people coming in. Okay. So first, let me just start with introducing Zbit to all those YouTube people and to all those people who are watching from YouTube and Twitter, because obviously you need to know. Welcome user 971409 on the live stream of Zbit.com. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And I really welcome all of you people on the Zbit app. See, we are going live in three different platforms. I go live on Zbit app, I go live on YouTube, and I go live on Twitter. So there are three different people coming from three different live. Whenever I'm talking about like welcome user, welcome user, welcome user, they are from Zbit.com app. So I would request all of you people, the YouTube people and the Twitter people as well, to come on the Zbit app, because see, it's not just like you will be getting prioritized for coming on the live of cbit.com. Welcome user 3347457 on the cbit.com's live. My name is Yash, and I'm a live stream host over here, which will be taking care about your crypto journey. So that's what I'm talking about, like for all the YouTube people and the Twitter people. The most priority, the most prioritized people over here from the three platform as bit.com app. So I would request all of the people from YouTube and Twitter who are watching me for the first time to come on the zbit.com app and start your crypto journey, because this is not going to be just like being prioritized, but this is also going to give you a lot of good rewards which zbit.com offers to all their new users. And I would love for you to be part of that and enjoy those rewards so that you can know what kind of amount of benefits and profits you can gain from zbit.com if you just connect yourself, be walk on those bridge of the zbit.com and get connected to the crypto world. Okay, so let me just introduce Cbit to you. I will show you everything. So first, obviously, like I said to you all people, like, there are lots and lots of rewards which Zbit.com offers to all the new users. This is not going to be welcome user 984886. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. As I was talking to the YouTube people regarding like why you need to come on the cbit.com and what are you missing when you are not being a part of cbit.com. Let's talk about those things. So first, opening an account is the most simplest part in the cbit.com. The most simplest part ever. What you need to do is a simple thing that you need to just put your country code, which you can see on the screen over here, and you need to pick your country code. This is not just for UAE, okay? This is for every of those other country which is out there, okay? Every of those country which is out there. Okay, after this, once you pick your own country over there, then you put your email address and then you put your password, and that's all. You can sign up with this most three simple things, three simple paths, just country code, email address, and password, and you have landed on the bridge which can walk you through the crypto world, the world of the profit, the world of the benefits, the world of where which can make you earn so much of amount of money by doing the less effort, by putting the most less effort. Do it from whenever you want, do it from wherever you want. Okay, and this, once you do that, this sign up thing, you will be taken care by the zbit.com by giving you 5 best rewards and offers. There are 3 rewards and 2 features actually. Okay, so what are those 3 rewards, what are those 2 features? Let's talk about that thing, because once you entered in the zbit.com app, the only thing, good morning user 16, 9514. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Okay. I will be with you all people in a while. I'm just talking to all the YouTube people and making them understand what zb.com is about, what zb.com can make their life easy, and what can it provide. So all those people coming live from the YouTube app, coming live at the Zbit app, I would love all the people to tell this one thing, that please make sure that you are doing the recharge, doing the deposit from the live stream app itself. You can see that there is a live stream function down there. Click on that deposit function and do a deposit, because see, as I told you that we have started a challenge of turning a 10 USDT into a 1000 USDT, and I'm going to do it on the live. Yesterday I wanted to enter in the market yesterday. What I'm going to do, because I don't open anything, I don't open my mail address. I what? What I'm going to do, because I don't open anything, I don't open my email address and everything. You don't open your email address, but that's fine. You can start. You don't have an email address to put over here. But why are you not having an email address? Like everybody has an email address, and creating email address is more easier than this. It's just like you create account, you enter your password, and you have an email address. And even if you don't have your email address, why don't you come with your like any of your father, mother, sister, brother, friend, any of those email address? You can use any of those email address. Eritrea. 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 Okay. Eritrea. You're from Eritrea. Where is Eritrea? I would love to know where is Eritrea. This is very new country I heard of. Eritrea. Okay, somewhere in Africa. Okay. Eritrea is somewhere in the Africa, East Africa. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. It's a very new country I've heard of. Thank you so much for being a part from such a new country. Thank you so much for being a part. Now, welcome user 505529. Welcome user 133457. Again, 55505529. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live. Thank you so much for being a part. My name is Yash. I would love to hear from you, all of you people as well. Like, what's your name? Are you having a profit? Are you having a loss? What is your How is your crypto journey going on? Do you need any help of mine in your crypto journey? Please make sure to comment on the comment section so that I can help you as well. Because this is that live stream where I will be guiding you toward your crypto journey. I will be guiding toward your whenever you have any difficulties, whenever you are having any of those things, like for example, you need help, you need doubt, you need to education, you need learning regarding the crypto trading, regarding the entries, regarding any of those things. This is that one pit stop for you to know everything regarding crypto world. And I'm also welcome user 604101. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Like I said to you, all of you people, that this is a challenge era has started, where I'm going to show how you can turn a 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. That's what the challenge we have kept for. And I hope you are also being a part of it. Side by side, whenever I go, whenever I take a trade, whenever I do a market analysis, you're understanding it and you're taking the trade with me side by side and turning your 10 USDT into 1000 USDT, same like me. So what you need to do before that, turning that XYZ 10 USDT into 1000 USDT, you need to deposit a 10 USDT first. If you haven't deposited yet, if you don't have a sufficient balance, if you don't have like 10 USDT inside your pocket, inside your wallet, so then please make sure to hit that deposit option and deposit 10 USDT so that we can start this challenge. Now, I was talking about like once a YouTube people, what they are missing out, what kind of rewards they are missing out, what kind of opportunity they are missing out by not joining the cbit.com. Let me tell you this one thing. Once you create your account, which I told you is one most simplest way, is just enter your country code and then email address and the password, and that's it. You have entered into cbit.com. And just by taking that one very small and one very simple step, you get a first reward, which is a free cryptocurrency offered by zbit.com. Now, this free cryptocurrency is not a future things. It's not like you are owning it for 1 year, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 or 4 or 5 hour. No, it is like a spot coin that you bought on a spot coin, but without any investment, without even trading, without even doing anything. That's what Zibit offers to you. A spot coin, basically, it will be it will be a choice of a 8 coin. You will be getting a lucky spin, which you can see over here. Can you see worth over 1200? Get your first crypto asset. Get your first crypto asset at zb.com, and can you see that lucky spin over here as well? See, this is the lucky spin which will spin, and once the spin stops, and trust me, it's 100% win guarantee. There is no such things like either you get a cryptocurrency or you don't get a cryptocurrency. It's not like that. You will be 101% sure will be receiving a cryptocurrency. Okay, in that situation, what are those currency which you will be getting it? Because obviously people want to know what are those currency which I'll be getting, what are those currency which I'll be having as a spot. Are you going to give me a meme coin? Are you going to give me a altcoin? Are you going to give me stable coin? Well, the choice, like the opportunity is for all the three. Either you can get a stable coin, either you can get the altcoin, or you can get is a meme. There are three options. There are eight, like I said to you, there are eight different options for those cryptocurrency out there. So in this, the algorithm has been set like out of 500 people, one person will be getting a Bitcoin. Okay, it's not like everybody is gonna get the Bitcoin. Out of those 500 people, one person is gonna get a Bitcoin. One person is going to get the Bitcoin. Now, in this situation of one person getting a Bitcoin, now you have to try your luck. But like I said to you, it's 100% win guarantee. Generally, people get the meme coin or the altcoin, which is basically a Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe coin, Shiba Inu, and every of those coins. But there is a chance as well for you to win a Bitcoin or an Ethereum, that too without even taking a single trade, without even taking a single investment, nothing, just by creating an account, just by being a part of a Zipit family. We offer you that as the first reward, that you can have a free cryptocurrency, which you can have it forever and ever. You want to hold it, you can hold it. You want to sell it, you can sell it. Uh, you want to just like you want to hold it, you can hold it. You want to sell it, you want to sell it. You can trade with it as well. It depends on you. If you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw it as well. It depends on you what you want to do with that XYZ coin. Okay, so after this is the just a first reward, just a first reward. But the first reward itself is such a banger, because you are gonna get a free cryptocurrency without even doing anything, just by creating an account. Now, let me take you to the second reward, because second reward is more amazing. Because in here again, like I said to you, even before you investing anything, you have an opportunity to get a good profit from the market. One second. Yeah, you have a very good opportunity that you can earn a very good amount of profit from the market without even making a single deposit till now point. Now, what is the second reward which we're talking about? Because Cbit is all about uh, trading and making their customer happy, making their audience happy, because by giving them a lots and lots and lots of good rewards, so that they are appreciated in the crypto journey. Because I really feel this one thing, that crypto journey, starting a crypto journey is very difficult. Difficult not in the process, but in a thought of taking a first step, which is basically like, should I enter crypto? I don't understand crypto. I don't understand those coin. I don't know what this BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and blah blah things are. I don't know, have any idea about how to invest in those coin, how the market works. People say that your money will gone like this when you enter the crypto market, but there are always a good and a bad side of a crypto market. Okay, in any of the market, not just specifically crypto market, there are good and bad sides of every of those markets. But let me tell you this one thing, it's a fact thing, that compare to the stock market, compare to the indices, compare to the commodities, compare to every of those other forex and every of those market over there, crypto market has profound to be the most profitable market which you should be investing in. This is, they also say this one thing, that you are not just investing into the crypto market, but you are actually investing into the future, because these cryptocurrencies are nothing other than a future of the currency, which we may not see at a right now point. That is also totally fine, because at the, if you consider the right now period of a time, we are focusing on one thing. What we are focusing on, we are still stuck in that traditional way of currency. We still have INRs, we still have rubles, we still have yen, yuan, US dollar, and every of those things. Now, the digital currency, we, the general people, we don't have a use of it at right now stage, because whatever transaction we need to do, whatever things we need to buy, whatever things we have to do, can be done with the traditional, and most of the people are doing that. But I'm not denying this one fact, that you can use BTC digital coins as well for doing those investment. Okay, but I, yeah, I get it. You don't have to pay for your pizza with the BTC, because of it, that will be the most foolish thing which you ever do. We have also heard this one thing, that there was once in a time when BTC was very new, like nobody used to care about what BTC is. BTC was just trading at $1 or even less than $1. People used to spend that thing on, like, the US people. I'm not talking about us, because in India it was not there legally, and even right now it is not here legally. I don't understand why. I don't understand why always and always India, like denies, not denies, but India has this one thing, that whatever is a very new thing, but even though it is a very futuristic stuff which can give you a good amount of profit, they still don't want to be a part of it. They still want to be the part of their old generation, old thing, old methods, and every of those things. I don't understand why there is such a need, why there is a need of staying and using the same thing which we are using before. Like all this is, you can check out all the systems as well, the education systems, the whatever xyz systems are there, they are not changing at all. I have seen this one thing. I'm not denying a fact. So this is, I'm getting going a little off the track, but I have not. I've seen this one thing. See, I live in Mumbai, and I have seen this one thing, that the private schools in the Mumbai, they have adapted to the education system which is there. Like according to the US, they have they have acting schools, like not like acting class, they have singing class, they have anchoring class, they have radio jockey class, which is not a part of the education syllabus, education system, but still they are doing it because they want to bring the change. I don't understand why government of India, they still get stuck into same old thing which they are been doing since so long time. I have this one thing. See, if I am a government, for example, if I'm a government and I can see something which is upgraded version in some other part of the country, why can't I just bring that thing and put it into my country? There is no such thing that you cannot copy that thing. There is no such thing that you cannot copy that system, copy that process in what is happening in some other country, and we cannot bring it over here. Okay, there is no such thing, because if there was such things, then we would have never had Starbucks, we would have never had the fashion icons, we never had any of those luxury things, we never had the muscle, we never had muscle. We should have still riding the the bull cart and every of the same, because if we don't bring the new things in the country, if you can bring those things from the new country, then why not the education system? Why, if you see that there is something much more upgraded, much more reliable, much more giving you good opportunity, it can bring a very bright future into your country, then why not do it? Just change it like this. Because like the same way you changed the 500 note should be banished, the 1,000 rupee note should be banished, you changed it in a one single day, which was a major impact. Okay, don't tell me that it was not a major impact, because every of those people, every single people of those India were affected by that, because everybody had 500 note, everybody had 1,000 rupee note. They had to go to the bank, they had to go places, they had to stand in the line to change the process and every of those things. If you can give that hectic thing to the citizens of India, then why not just do one more thing of changing the whole education system like a finger snap? The same thing you did with the 500 note, the same thing you did with the Kashmir thing, the same thing you did. Like you are changing like this those things which are in your favor, but you are not changing those things which can help this future of the India, the future of the India can grow better and better and better. But you are not doing that thing. I don't understand why you are not doing that thing. You can change. If I was thinking, I would have changed like this, because that's so much more better than your, like what you are doing. You, like the education system of India is very like, it's not practical, it's more like a theoretical. And whatever we do in the job, that is a practical job. What I'm going to do with the theoretical knowledge and knowledge only. And there should be a differentiation as well. Like if I want to be a theoretical scientist or something, for them, okay, but what about those other jobs which is more than practical? What about those other jobs? What about the private schools in Mumbai? How are you allowing them as well to start? If you don't want to change, then how you are allowing them to have those things just because they are private? If private company, if private schools can do it, can bring a change, that so that you can, so you can as well. Okay, so leave this. I went a little off the topic, but yes, India is like always in the things like where he doesn't want a future. He doesn't. He's not interested in future. He's more interested in the present. He's more interested in what is gonna happen the next, who is gonna be in the election the next. How can I stay in one seat forever and ever and ever, rather than bringing the change? Okay, that's our those are like it's India. Leave that. That's India for you guys. So, leaving that fact aside, as I was talking about, like what Zbit offers to you. Zbit offers to you is one is the free cryptocurrency which you will be getting from our side, which can be a meme coin. Generally, you get a meme coin. Okay, I'm not denying this fact as well that generally you get a meme coin, because I told you algorithm works in a different way. Algorithm works in what way? Out of 500 people, one person will receive a BTC or an Ethereum. Okay, so if you are one of those five, if you want to be one of those 500, then you need to try your luck. You don't need, because there is no count, like there is no counting happening on the side by side, like okay, this is 454,999, now the 500 people is gonna get it. Okay, it's not like that. Out of 500 people, one person will get it. It can be in the middle. It depends on the algorithm how it keeps. Got it? Okay. Now, in this situation, I wanted to explain you, like, even if you don't get BTC, that is totally fine. But even if you are getting any cryptocurrency which is more valuable than the currency which you are having, it is a digital currency, a currency of a future. Okay. Second reward, what Zbit offers to you all people is a free experience, because all we all need an experience in the life. Experience in the life makes us. Welcome, user 157547. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. So, like I was saying to you all people, the Zbit, the second reward which you're offering to you is a experience, because that's what matters a lot. Experience in a life is the one which can give you lessons, which can give you like like it can help you in a lot of scenarios in your life. It can help you in not falling. It can help you even if you fall. It can help you avoid mistakes and every of those things, because we all need experience. We learn from experience. We crave for experience. Whatever we do is for experience. So in this thing, Zbit offers you a free experience. Free experience of what? Free experience of crypto, how the crypto market works, what kind of movement we can see, what kind of volatility we can face, what kind of profit we can have, what kind of loss we can face, how the leverage system works, how the future trading works, how what kind of different orders are this, what is limit order, what is trigger order, what is market order, all those things. It helps you to understand those things in the first free experience. And that too, this first free experience is not with the fake money, but trust me, it is with the real money which we offer to you all people, the 20 USDT bonus. We will give you a 20 USDT which we'll be using for taking a trade in BTC or Ethereum. We give two options, because see, at the very end, yeah, I get it. Like a lot of, there are lots and lots and lots of other coins in the cryptocurrency, but the major ones which can give you a good amount of profit are actually the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. Okay, now in this stage, if you want to really understand the market in the most beginner way, in the most like raw way, you need to understand BTC and Ethereum, and that's what the experience we give you. We give you 20 USDT to invest into the crypto market of BTC or Ethereum. You get a choice. You can pick your own choice whether you want to invest in BTC, whether you want to invest in Ethereum. You can pick your choice. And you have to do a future trading. Now future trading, understand this one thing about it, all the new user I'm talking to, okay, the people who do not understand what is a future trading, for all of you, let me explain you this one thing. Future trading means that you are investing into the price of the cryptocurrency, not inside the cryptocurrency, which means that you are not buying or you are not selling any of those cryptocurrency, but what you're doing is you're just predicting the price, like will the price go up or will the price fall down. That's all you're predicting. That's it. You are just predicting the price, if it goes up, if it goes down. That's all, nothing else. Okay, now in this scenario, what you need to do, you need to just see, like whenever you see a Bitcoin market or Ethereum market, whatever you choose, let's take one example, that you took a Bitcoin market. Once you took a Bitcoin market, it will give you an option of what? An option of either go for long, which is predicting a price can go up, or an option of a short, which will predict that the price can fall down. So welcome user 909397. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this lesson. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. So it will give you two options, long and short. Long means that you're predicting the price can go up, and short means that you're predicting price can fall down. Once you pick one option, your trade is active. You have entered into crypto market. You can track your order, you can track, you can see what kind of profit you are having, what kind of loss you are having, how the movement of the market is happening. Every of those things you can see it in the market. Okay, inside the app you can see every of those things. Okay, now in this you are getting a free investment. You haven't done a deposit till now, and you even should not do any deposit. Once you do once you enter, if you deposit before investing that 120 USDT, if you deposit, sorry, not if you deposit before using that 20 USDT, then you might not be receiving that 20 USDT for the trade. So first thing is to experience even before. See, Zbit offers you first cryptocurrency and second the experience of taking a trade without even using your money. First see how it is, and if you love it, if you love the profit, if you love every of those things, and then invest. भाई हिंदी में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो। ओके, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ। बस ये एक चीज ऐसी है, यूजर 9762 976, कि यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल लोग भी होते हैं। यहाँ पे इंडोनेशिया के लोग हैं, यहाँ अफ्रीका के लोग हैं, यहाँ यूएस के लोग हैं, यहाँ दुबई के भी लोग हैं इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में। तो उनकी वजह से मुझे इंग्लिश में बात करनी पड़ती, क्योंकि अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करना चालू करूँ तो उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं समझेगा, कुछ भी नहीं। आपको शायद तक इंग्लिश समझ सकती है थोड़ी थोड़ी, इसलिए मैं हमेशा बहुत धीरे धीरे इंग्लिश में बात करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। मैं just I'll just come with 5 minute break, guys. Just give me 1 minute break. I have emergency. So coming. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Emergency susu break. Hey, but yeah. Now, I was explaining you this one thing for all those YouTube people, that the second reward is a 20 USDT bonus which you get for taking a free experience of taking the first free trade at the zbit.com before even entering. See, we give you that experience because, see, I get it. Like, you are afraid of, do you want to enter in the crypto market, or do you don't want to enter in the crypto market, whether you should enter or whether you should not enter. You have this one very big caution in the market. Now, that's what we give you. That's what we give you is a first experience, so that you can have this opportunity of knowing if the crypto market is right for you, if the crypto market is not right for you, if the crypto market, whatever the world are saying, that it can have a very negative impact, that it will make you lose money and blah 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 thing. Will it be there? Will it not be there? That kind of situation you might face, you might not face. Every of those things you can gain in that first free experience which we are offering to you. Our investment, you don't even have to invest anything in the market. You just have to invest our thing. You can invest our 20 USD dollar and gain profit from it, and that profit is completely 100% yours. How, what is going to happen? Like I said to you, you will be getting a two options. One is a Bitcoin or Ethereum in front of you. You can pick one of the market, which market you want to trade. You want to trade in BTC, you want to trade in Ethereum, you can pick one market. After that, you will be having a two option. One is go long or go short. Open long, open short. Open long means that you're predicting that the price can go up, the market can go up. And the second thing that you are predicting, the second thing which you're predicting is that the market can fall down, which is a short. Open short means the market can fall down, the price can fall down. Once you see, it will give you, if you are watching it from the app, it will give you a very small chart to know like what you need to do, what you need to do in that small chart. You might not understand it where the market is leading to you or something. You can watch the same chart in some other platforms like TradingView or something. You can get to know like everything about the market, what is going on, what can be the next movement in the next 1 hour. Why 1 hour I'm specifically talking about? Because you need to end this trade is going to be open for 1 hour. So you need to find out like whether in this next 1 hour the price can either go up or either can fall down. That's what you need to predict. Okay. Once you decided that XYZ amount of thing, like I want to go for buy trade, I want to go for long trade, I'm predicting that the price can go up. And the trade is going to be active for that period of a time. The trade is going to be active for 1 hour. If you are satisfied with your trade before that 1 hour, you can end it as well. Okay, you can end it as well. You have that opportunity. But if you do not do it from your side, automatically in 1 hour that trade is gonna get closed. Simple. Okay, now there are some terms and condition. First is I will clear some common doubts for all of you people. See, the more common, see, these are all those questions which is asked by the audience itself. So that's what I'm gonna explain to you. First, you cannot withdraw this 20 USDT bonus. It is our investment. You cannot withdraw it. Okay, it is given to you for taking a free trade, not for withdrawing. This is not a free money where you come, you have 20 and you go. In this way, I can do the same thing with every of my family, every of my friend, every of my colleague, that everybody I will tell them to go download, withdraw 20, download, withdraw 20, download, withdraw 20. If I even find 10 people, I'm withdrawing 20, 200 dollars without even doing anything. I'm not even depositing anything. Nothing is need to be deposited till now point, but I can withdraw to 200 USDT from it. It is not going to happen. Okay. So first, now to be very clear that 20 USDT is not gonna be withdrawn. Okay, there is no withdrawal for the 20 USDT bonus. You cannot withdraw it. Okay. Second thing, that there is no such options for you to like I will from that 20 I will do 10 right now and 10 I'm gonna save for the next trade or something. That thing is also not gonna happen in the Zibit. That 20 will be used in one go. In one go. You cannot keep 10 I invest 10 I keep for the later. No, this is first pre-trade. not first, second, third, fourth free trade, only first. So in that thing, the first in that thing, what you need to do is you just need to download the zbit and use that xyz amount of thing and use the first free trade, not second, not third, not fourth, just first. Okay, after these things, once you take a trade, once you invest in the market, before using this 20 usdt bonus, you should not deposit. Do not think like I have 20 given by the zbit, I will add my 10, it will become 30, I can take a bigger trade. No, no such thing is gonna happen. Okay, even if you deposit $1 in the zbit app before using this 20, this 20 is gonna go out. This won't stay inside your account. Okay, understand these facts, that that 20 will be gone. You don't have that 20 in your account anymore. If you deposit, before using that 20 USD. Okay, so do not deposit before using that 20 USD. Okay, these are the common three doubt before starting you need to know. After these things, once you take a trade, you have an opportunity. See, you are in the control and not in the control at the same point. You have a control before 1 hour, you have a control. If you want to end the trade in the 5 minute, end it, totally fine. You want to end the trade by 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, you end it, that is totally fine. What you cannot do is you cannot take that trade and let it be forever and ever. Like you cannot go for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6. No, the trade will be active only and only for 1 hour. So you get 1 hour to take the trade, to gain the profit, to observe the market. 1 hour is actually a very good amount of like experience. It's not that limited, but 1 hour is a very good amount of experience which you can gain from the market. Okay, by observing what the market can does, how the profit is coming, how the loss is gonna come, every of those things, how the candle moves and blah. So if you do not close this trade in 1 hour, the trade is automatically gonna get closed. Automatic. You don't have to have that trade there. Like that, sorry, the trade is not going to be there after 1 hour. It will automatically get closed, and whatsoever profit you are going to have, that and that only will be visible in your amount balance or future amount balance. Okay, not the 20 USDT. Once the trade is closed by your side or automatically by the app side, you will be receiving xyz amount of profit. And that, for let's say that you got $5 of profit. Okay, now that 5 USDT is the only thing which will be visible into your amount balance. That rest 20 USDT will be again gone. Okay, because it was never your, we gave it for experience and we take it back. It is not going to stay with you forever. Understood? Okay. Now, what about the loss? Because see, profit is completely yours. We don't even want any share in it. Like you will be earning 5, we will be keeping 3, we will be giving you 2, something. And like, no, there is no such things. You will be having a complete ownership, a complete authority of that whatsoever profit you are earning from the market. You can withdraw it, you can trade with it, you can do anything. You can do anything what you want to do with it. Got it? Now, other thing, that 20 USDT is not going to be there, right? Now, what about loss? If you face loss, this was a profit situation. Now, what about a loss situation? If you are facing a loss, then what? If you are facing a loss in the market, that is completely fine, because as I said to you, it's a first free experience in which whatever loss you are going to have, that will be completely our loss. It is not going to be your loss, it is going to be our loss. We will face the loss completely by ourselves. You don't have to pay us anything, so it's a win-win thing. At a one point, even if you lose, you are getting experience. And if you even if you win the trade, you are having a free profit plus experience. So it's a both win-win situation. There is no loss in any of those things. Just profit won't be there in the lose situation, but experience will be there, which can help you to gain the good amount of profit to avoid those mistakes which you should avoid. Understood? Okay. Now, in this scenario, then let's come to the third thing. Right now, at the slide, you can see there are three rewards. One is worth over $1,200, which you can see. Then slide, there is a try future trading, which I just talked about first. And then there is official live broadcast. Ask any question, and the host is here to answer. Okay. Now, this is a feature. Like I said to you, we offer you five things. Out of those five things, three are rewards and two are features. Now, one of those two things, one of those two features, one feature is the live stream broadcast which you are watching right now. This live stream broadcast which is here for your thing, for your benefit, for your help, which means that whenever however you need any guidance in your crypto journey, you are facing any difficulties in the crypto journey, you are facing any loss, you don't know about trading, you want to learn about trading, anything it is, we are here ready to help you all people with that thing. So please make sure that this feature is of your use. If you don't use this feature is worthless, to be very frank. Okay, if you do not ask what is this, what is that, what is this, what is that, then that is not gonna be of any benefit of us or yours. Okay, because if you don't learn trading over here, you don't solve your doubts over here, then what's the point of having a live stream? Exactly. So for you to have a very good opportunity, you have, like I'm saying, that you have a very good opportunity of learning, gaining knowledge of a crypto trading, how to find the trade, how to do the trade, what kind of market, how to do market analysis, where to find my entry, where to find my target, how to find my SL, and blah 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 blah, which coin to trade on, is there any some strategy which you can tell me which you can use for gaining a good amount of profit. There are so many things to ask. There is not one thing, but there are so many things you need to ask. But like I said to you, it all depends on asking. If you ask, then and then only I will answer, then and then only I will provide an education for that. If you don't ask, then I will just continue with the live trades. I will continue with promoting Zbit. I will continue with this. But if you ask me regarding anything, and see, even if it's you are having facing difficulty in using Zbit app, that there are some things which you don't understand, like what is that thing, what is this thing, what is this thing. I can help you with understanding those things as well. You don't know how to do deposit, I will help you with deposit. You don't know how to do withdrawal, I will help you with the withdrawal. You don't know the minimum amount of withdrawal, I will help you with that. Welcome user 552861 and welcome user 294500. Welcome on the live stream. There is one guy from South Georgia and another one from India. Okay. So see, this is the reason I get it, like in the comment section. You are talking about like speak in Hindi, but I cannot speak in Hindi because there are some people from international people as well, like from maybe Africa, maybe from Indonesia, maybe from the South Georgia, Africa, blah 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 blah. There are so many people from so many different people. So I use a common language as English. If you having, see, I started speaking a little slow because I get it that I speak a little fast. Okay. I have lowered my tone. I have, you can clearly see that today I'm speaking very slow because I get it that if I speak in a very fast language, in like in this kind of tone where you are not understanding anything, so I get it. Like if I speak a lot fast, you might miss out or you might not understand the thing which I'm speaking. So that's why I started speaking a slow and steady English so that you can understand each and everything in a word by word. Okay, but to be very frank, okay, if there are any major topic, like for example there is major thing which you need to understand in your comfortable language, ask. I will speak in Hindi for that period of time for 15 to 20 to 30 minutes for explaining you that topic so that you can understand it in your comfortable language. Okay, that is also possible. I won't take this whole live stream for English, not whole 4 hours of Hindi, but in some, if you are having difficulties in understanding some parts, some logic, some market analysis, some things, ask to explain that thing in Hindi. I will talk in Hindi. Okay. मैं हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे ज़ेबिट पे बहुत इंटरनेशनल लोग भी होते हैं कि कोई दुबई से है, कोई साउथ अफ्रीका से है, कोई इंडोनेशिया से है, कोई यूएस से है, कोई यूके से है। तो इन सभी लोगों के बारे में सोच के मुझे एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज में यूज़ करता हूँ जो इंग्लिश है। क्योंकि सबको इंग्लिश समझ में आती है, हमारे कॉमन बैरियर होता है ये, ठीक है? बट फिर भी अगर आप में से किसी भी लोग को मैं पहले बहुत फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलता था। मतलब कल तक मैं बहुत फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलता था। आज मैं बहुत स्लो इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में आ गई है कि मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही फास्ट बात कर रहा हूँ एंड बहुत से लोग थोड़ा-सा ना मिस आउट कर लेते हैं कुछ चीज़ें, उनको नहीं समझ में आती है। इसलिए अगर ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन होती है, एक तो मैंने स्लो इंग्लिश बोलना चालू कर दिया है, एक आपके लिए और दूसरी अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको कोई टॉपिक नहीं समझ रहा है, कोई चीज़ नहीं समझ रही है, कोई रिवॉर्ड नहीं समझ रहा है या फिर कुछ चीज़ जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो नहीं समझ रही है और जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो कि हाय हिंदी एमए यूज़र 809270 हिंदी में या मैं अभी हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ। हिंदी नहीं बोलना है या हिंदी बोलना है? क्या बात कर रहे हो? यूज़र 809270 हिंदी एमए, हिंदी मास्टर्स, हिंदी एमए पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हो यार। सो मैं वही चीज़ बता रहा हूँ कि अगर कोई चीज़, कोई छोटा टॉपिक, कोई बड़ा टॉपिक या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको लगती है यार ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए, तो वो चीज़ आप हिंदी में उसको बोल सकते हो कि यार ये वाली चीज़ हिंदी में समझा दो, मैं समझा दूँगा। बट पूरा लाइव स्ट्रीम हिंदी में करना ये पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे बाकी के लोग भी जो है, जो नाइजीरिया से है, जो साउथ अफ्रीका जैसे मैंने बोला यूएस, यूके, दुबई, वुबई यहाँ से जो लोग हैं, उनके लिए फिर तकलीफ हो जाती है क्योंकि ये जो क्रिप्टो मार्केट है, वो सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक मार्केट नहीं है, सिर्फ इंडिया के लोग के लिए नहीं है। ये पूरा ग्लोबल मार्केट है, यहाँ पे सारे कंट्री के लोग आते हैं। इस ज़ीबिट ऐप पे सारे कंट्री के लोग आते हैं। ये सिर्फ एक स्पेसिफिक एक छोटा-सा ग्रुप नहीं है जो सिर्फ इंडिया में या फिर जो सिर्फ इंडिया के लोगों के लिए बना हुआ है। ये पूरा ग्लोबल प्लेटफ़ॉर्म है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक ग्लोबल प्लेटफ़ॉर्म है, जहाँ पे हर एक लोग, हर एक बंदा, हर एक कंट्री का बंदा ट्रेड करता है। इनके लिए ये कॉमन ग्राउंड इसलिए है क्योंकि ये 24/7 अवेलेबल होता है। ये कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन पे नहीं रहता है कि आज न्यूयॉर्क सेशन के टाइम पे ओपन होगा, कल दूसरे सेशन में ओपन होगा, कल इंडिया के सेशन में, कल चाइना, जापान ये वाले इनके सेशन में नहीं होता है। ये होता है 24/7 आप कभी भी आ सकते हो, कभी भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो, पूरे दिन में 24/7 मतलब अगर आज से क्रिप्टो का जर्नी चालू कर दिया ना तो आप जब तक नहीं हो जाते तब तक तो आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो किसी भी समय उठ के। आपका मन किया कि रात को मुझे 2 बजे एक सपना आया है कि ये वाला कॉइन ऊपर उठने वाला है, मैंने रात को 2 बजे उठ के उस कॉइन में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया। आप कर सकते हो। आप जो समय चूज़ करना चाहते हो, आप वो समय चूज़ कर सकते हो। आप जो समय में ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हो, वो समय में आप ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हो। समय की कोई पाबंदी नहीं है और ना ही कोई जगह की है। आपको जगह की कोई पाबंदी है, किसी ने बोला है कि नहीं आप घर से ही ट्रेडिंग करोगे। किसी ने बोला है कि नहीं आप ऑफिस से ही ट्रेडिंग करोगे। किसी ने बोला है कि यार किसी ने मना किया है कि यार आप नहीं जा सकते हो हिल स्टेशन पे। हिल स्टेशन पे मस्त अच्छी सीनरी देख के, बर्फ पहाड़ देख के, कुछ हाथ में पकड़ के आप नहीं कर सकते ट्रेडिंग किसी ने बोला है? नहीं। आपसे आपको जहाँ से ट्रेडिंग करनी है, आप वहाँ से ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हो। बस आपको क्या चाहिए? इंटरनेट, फ़ोन या लैपटॉप बस खत्म बात। बात खत्म होगी वहीं पे। सो welcome user 243213. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. As I was explaining you these things regarding the third. Now this third feature is what? Third is a feature, it's not a reward. First two was reward, getting free cryptocurrency and getting 20 USDT bonus. The third thing is a feature of a live stream. ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे अगर मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात कर लूँ इसमें, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम में हर एक बंदा कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी सवाल, ट्रेडिंग नहीं आती है, ट्रेडिंग सिखा दो, ये कैसे करते हैं, वो कैसे करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग में क्या एंट्री कैसे ढूंढते हैं, मार्केट को एनालाइज कैसे करते हैं, ये सारी चीजें आपको ज्ञान मिलता है ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, अगर आप पूछो तो। पर अगर आप पूछ नहीं रहे हो तो ये आप खुद का नुकसान कर रहे हो। ओके, ये क्लासरूम नहीं है कि एक टीचर बैठा हुआ है और सारे लोग यहाँ पे बस पीछे बैक बेंच पे कोई मस्ती कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, इसमें मेरा कोई नुकसान नहीं है। ठीक है, पहली बात बता दे रहा हूं मैं। अगर आप नहीं जानना चाहते हो कुछ चीजों के बारे में, तो मैं समझता हूं कि आपको ऑलरेडी वो चीजें आती है। कि आप पूछ नहीं रहे हो मतलब आपको ऑलरेडी आती है, आपको कोई डाउट नहीं है, आपको सब चीजें बराबर बराबर समझ में आ रही है, आपको ट्रेडिंग आती है, आपको सब कुछ आता है, आपका प्रॉफिट भी अच्छा आ रहा है, ये सब कुछ अच्छा है। तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम जो है वो उन चीजों के लिए है जिनकी जरूरत है, जिनको सीखना है, जिनकी चाह है कि वो ट्रेडिंग सीखे, जिनकी चाह है कि वो प्रॉफिट बढ़ाए अपना, जिनकी चाह है कि वो अपना कैपिटल बड़ा ग्रो करे, ये सब चीजें ग्रो करे, ये उनके लिए है ये चीजें, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम। जो चाहते हैं कि मैं ट्रेडिंग सीखूं, जो चाहते हैं कि मैं यहाँ पे जब मैं लाइव ट्रेड देता हूँ तो वो ट्रेड कॉपी करके वो भी करे, जो उनको बड़ा प्रॉफिट मिले, सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है। ये लाइव स्ट्रीम उन सब लोगों के लिए है जिसमें आपको बहुत सारा प्रॉफिट मिल सकता है, आपको बहुत सारा एजुकेशन एंड लर्निंग मिल सकता है क्रिप्टो ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड। आपकी जर्नी, आपकी क्रिप्टो जर्नी में आपको जहां भी जैसा भी प्रॉब्लम इश्यू आता है, आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम यहाँ कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर कर सकते हो। बस वो चीजें नहीं करना है कि यार मुझे 100 यूएसडी दे दे, 200 यूएसडी दे दे, 500 यूएसडी दे दे, ये सब चीजें नहीं, वो चीजें छोड़ के फ्री में यहाँ पे बस ये रिवॉर्ड्स मिलते हैं। उसके अलावा कोई आपको 200 300 400 यूएसडी देने के लिए कोई रेडी नहीं बैठेगा, ठीक है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक। और ये यहाँ अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है वैसे, अगर एकदम कोई ऐसा ऐसा कर रहा है आपके सामने तो ये नहीं अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है। तो वो सब चीजें छोड़ के अगर कोई एजुकेशन, कोई लर्निंग के बारे में सीखना है, ट्रेडिंग सीखनी है, तो कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट करना। ओके, ठीक है, ये हो गए तीन चीजें जो आपको यहां पे दिख रही है। अब ऐसे और दो चीजें हैं, एक रिवॉर्ड और एक फीचर। एक रिवॉर्ड और एक फीचर जो भी रिसेंटली आया है, ठीक है। अब ये रिवॉर्ड कौन सा है? ये रिवॉर्ड है रेफरल कमीशन रिवॉर्ड। अब ये रेफरल कमीशन रिवॉर्ड होता क्या है, ठीक है, ये क्या है ये रेफरल कमीशन? व्हाट इज दिस रेफरल कमीशन रिवॉर्ड विच यू ऑल पीपल आर हैविंग? Referral commission reward is basically, if I write it over here, I'll use short forms, refcom, referral commission. I will use short form because my handwriting is not good. Okay. So referral commission में करते क्या है? What you need to do in referral commission? In referral commission, whenever you are thinking that, see, I can invite my friend. I have lots of friends who are interested in the crypto journey. And you are thinking that just by inviting them, I can earn a free money. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible that you can earn a free money. Free money is actually a free money. आपको कोई ट्रेडिंग करने नहीं बोल रहा है, nobody is telling you to take a trade, nobody is telling you to deposit anything. Just refer people, refer, like bring people on the live stream, bring people on this Zbit app, make them download, make them start the crypto journey, and you can have a free money for that. Free money. What is this referral commission? Is basically that you refer the Cbit app to a lot of your, it can be family, it can be friends, it can be colleague, it can be anybody, it can be your Instagram followers or whatsoever. Okay, all those people, all those things, all those people and all those person who are joining from your end, coming from your invite code, they, once they join in you, it will be considered under your section, like they have joined under your section, under your xyz unique invite code. Okay, once they join it from your invite code, the number of people will decide what kind of money you will be receiving. Okay, let's talk about that, like what kind of money can you have. There are 4 levels. Okay, first level is that if you invite 1 to 4 people, then you will be receiving how much? You will be receiving, if you invite in level 1, if you receive, if you invite 1 to 4 people, understand this one thing, every of those people who are joining from the app, they have the app, Every app has that XYZ unique UID code. Every of those app has their invite code. Okay, unique invite code. Got it? That invite codes needs to be put where? It here. Can you see invitation code? Once you click that invitation code over here, then you do the sign up, and then you can receive that XYZ amount of thing. That it will be considered under your name. One person has downloaded, two-person, three, four, five, six, and so on and so on and so on. Person has downloaded under your name. Okay, so it will be your invitation code. You have to tell them to put over here. Once they put it over there, then now the number of people put your invite code and download this Zbit app will be under your name, and you can receive commission. In level 1, if you invite 1 to 4 people, you can get a commission of what? 20% commission. If you invite 1 to 4 people, 20% of commission you can get. If you invite level 2, if you invite 5 to 9 people, okay, then you will get what? You will get 30% of commission from our side, and that is free money. Again, I'll say that it is a complete free money. You don't have to deposit anything. It's not a trading money, it is just a referral money which you will be receiving. Now the level 3. In level 3, if you invite 10 to 29 people, you will be having a commission of 40%. 40% commission. Okay. Now it's the last reward, last level, which is level 4. If you invite, let's say 30 and more people, 30 and more people, okay, then you will be receiving 50% of commission. Level 1, 1 to 4%, 20%, 1 to 4 people, 20% commission. Level 2, 5 to 9 people, 30% of commission. Level 3, 10 to 29 people and 40% of commission. Level 4, 30 and more people, and you can get 50% of commission without even taking a single trade. Or you can, like, I'm not saying, see, this is not trading money which you are receiving. Basically, I'm not saying that you don't have to take a trade. You can do a trading side by side. I'm saying extra, the way you can earn extra is this. Okay, let me explain you this again in Hindi. तो मैं हिंदी में एक चीजें कुछ समझाता हूँ. हिंदी में मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये जो रेफ कॉम लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब होता है कि एक रेफरल कमीशन का बोनस जीबिट ने लॉन्च किया हुआ है. ठीक है, जीबिट ने ये बोनस कैसे लॉन्च किया हुआ है? जीबिट ने ये रेफरल जो कमीशन है, जिसमें आप अगर ट्रेडिंग नहीं भी करते हो, ठीक है, ट्रेडिंग तो करना चाहिए वैसे, पर अगर आप ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहे हो फिर भी आप साइड बाय साइड पैसे कमा सकते हो. कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हो साइड बाय साइड बिना ट्रेडिंग करके? वो है ये, आपके सब लोगों के ऐप के अंदर एक इनविटेशन कोड है जो आपका खुद का कोड है. ठीक है, आपको वो इनविटेशन कोड अपने दोस्तों को, अपने कलीग्स को, फैमिली को, जिसको भी आपको सेंड करना है, आप वो करें. और यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, जैसे क्रिएट अकाउंट के टाइम पे यहाँ पे इनविटेशन कोड लिख के आता है. क्या दिख रहा है? ये इनविटेशन कोड. अब ये इनविटेशन कोड जो आपका है, वो जिसको आप शेयर कर रहे हो, जो आपके थ्रू ओपन कर रहा है, उसे वो यहाँ पे इंसर्ट करना है. उसे वहां पे वो टाइप, कॉपी, पेस्ट जो भी करना है वो करो. उसके बाद में साइन अप जैसे करते हैं तो आपको विजिबल होता है कि आपके इनविटेशन के थ्रू 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 जितने भी बंदों ने आपके थ्रू डाउनलोड किया वो दिखाई पड़ता है. ठीक है, अब आप कितने लोगों को इनवाइट करते हो और कितना कमीशन मिलता है, इसके हैं 4 लेवल. ठीक है, अगर आप इनवाइट करते हो 1 से 4 बंदे, मतलब आपके मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम 4 लोगों ने किया है, या मिनिमम एक बंदे ने आपसे इनवाइट कोड से डाउनलोड किया है जीबिट. ठीक है, तो आपको मिलता है 20% का कमीशन. अब दूसरे लेवल में ऐसा होता है कि अगर आपने किया है 5 से 9 लोग को इनवाइट, 5 से 9, मिनिमम 5, मैक्सिमम 9, अगर इन लोगों के बीच में आपका नंबर आता है या 9 या 5 आता है, तो आपको मिलेगा 30% का कमीशन। अब लेवल 3 में अगर आप 10 से 29, 29 को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, 29, 29, अगर आप 10 से 29, 29 जान दो, 10 से 29 लोगों को अगर आप इनवाइट करते हो आपके इनवाइट कोड के थ्रू, तो आपको 40% का कमीशन मिलता है। और लेवल 4 जो आखिरी लेवल है जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा कमीशन मिलता है, वो है कि अगर आप 30 से ज्यादा लोगों को बुलाते हो तो उसे 50% का कमीशन मिलता है। ये कमीशन आपको बिना ट्रेडिंग के मिल रहा है और बिना इन्वेस्टमेंट के मिल रहा है। इसमें मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है तब जाके कमीशन मिलेगा, या आपको ट्रेडिंग करनी है तब जाके कमीशन मिलेगा। ट्रेडिंग तो आप करते रहो साइड बाय साइड, वो तो अपना एक अलग पैसा कमा रहे हो। एक अलग बिना कुछ एफर्ट लगाए सिर्फ इनवाइट कोड भेज के लोगों को बुला के आप पैसे कमा सकते हो। ठीक है, अब इसमें कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है जो मैं समझा देता हूं। देर आर सम टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन इन दिस विच आई वुड लव टू एक्सप्लेन यू टू ऑल पीपल। ओके, टी एंड सी, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन। ओके, पहली कंडीशन, द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट योर इनवाइट कोड शुड बी copy pasted in that invitation code. If the person forgets to put invitation code over here, it will not register under your name. So invite code is the most important thing which will help you and help us that yes, that xyz person has registered under this guy. If they don't put invite code, they will consider as a normal new user who didn't came via anyone. Even if you have called it, even if you have told him to download this app, the phone call, the WhatsApp screenshot will not be applicable. Only and only invitation code is applicable. Okay, so first condition is that that person, this 1 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 20 or 30 or more people need to put your invite code. Even if, for example, if you invited 3 people, one person forgot to put an invite code, we will only consider 2 people coming from invite code. We will not consider that one. Understand this? Okay, so first, invite code, the most important thing. Second is that whosoever you are inviting, obviously he will use this reward first. He will come, he will download, he will get that crypto asset free of cost, and then he will also be getting that 20 USD bonus. And once he taken the first experience and blah blah blah, and then he will be also having this like all the user rewards are same for everybody. Okay, after that 20 USD bonus, obviously he will do the deposit for taking the trades, for taking further trades. Okay, obviously he will do the deposit. Now, that is the second condition, that his first deposit, that his first deposit should be inside live stream. Okay, first deposit inside the live stream. That means, can you see that deposit option down there? Yes. In that, the second condition says that his first deposit of the Zbit app should not be from a home page, but he needs to come on this live stream and then he need to click on that deposit option, deposit whatever amount he is depositing. There is no condition on what amount need to be deposited. He can deposit whatever amount he want to deposit. He can deposit $1, $2, 5, 10, 20, 30, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. I don't care. I really don't care. Whatever deposit you are doing, just the first deposit is very, very necessary to do it from the live stream function only. Okay. So this is the second reward. Third condition. This is the second condition. Now third condition is that XYZ person who you are inviting should complete 5 trades, 5x trades, 5 trades. 5 trades should be complete. Now, this trade can be profitable, loss, anything, doesn't matter. There is no condition that 5 profitable or 5 loss. There is no condition. There should be 5 trade. You enter in the market, you exit, first trade counted. You enter in the market, you exited in within 1 minute, still first trade is counted. You entered in the market, you exited in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20, 1 hour, 2 hour, doesn't matter the timing as well. Like for example, I entered and I put the exit at that second itself, it is still one trade is counted. So in this way he needs to do complete 5 trades in the zbet app. Once he completes all these 3 condition, which is first invite code, second is first deposit via live stream function, which you can see down. You don't you don't have to get confused that I don't know where that where that function is on blah 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 blah. The function is just down there. Okay. And the third is that 5 trades. He needs to complete 5 trades. He needs to have those 5 trades. Doesn't matter profitable, doesn't matter loss. 5 trades are important. Once you complete all these 3 trades, you will be receiving either 20, 30, 40 or 50% of commission. Let me explain this condition in Hindi once for Hindi people or people who don't understand English properly. देखो, ये कमीशन अपने पास आने के लिए 3 चुनौती पार करनी है। 3 चुनौती कौन सी? पहली चुनौती है कि इनवाइट कोड, जो आपका इनवाइट कोड है वो उसको यहाँ पे इनविटेशन कोड में डालना बहुत 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 जरूरी है। अगर वो यहाँ पे इनवाइट कोड नहीं डालता है तो वो आपके अकाउंट के अंदर रजिस्टर नहीं होगा कि आपके थ्रू ये बंदा आया है, हम इसे काउंट नहीं करेंगे। हम इसे तभी काउंट कर सकते हैं जब वो आपका इनविटेशन कोड वहां इनविटेशन कोड में डालेगा। समझ में आ गया? तो पहली सबसे बड़ी ये है कंडीशन है कि उसको इनवाइट कोड डालना बहुत जरूरी है। दूसरी कंडीशन ऐसी है कि पहला जो डिपॉजिट, देखो अभी जैसे उसने डाउनलोड किया, उसके पास वो फर्स्ट क्रिप्टो रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, वो लकी स्पिन करेगा, उसको एक रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा। फिर वो दूसरा रिवॉर्ड लेगा जब उसको 20 यूएसडी का फ्री बोनस का ट्रेड मिलेगा। वो ट्रेड लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, उसका वो जितना उसने करना था उसने सब मस्ती कर ली, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद में जब उसको डिपॉजिट करना है, ऑब्वियसली तुम डिपॉजिट करोगे, ऑब्वियसली वो डिपॉजिट करेगा क्योंकि उसे ट्रेड तो लेना ही है फॉर श्योर। तो जब 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 भी वो अपना पहला, फर्स्ट बात कर रहा हूं मैं, पहला, ठीक है ना, दूसरा ना तीसरा ना चौथा, नहीं, पहला मतलब पहला, फर्स्ट। जब वो अपना पहला डिपॉजिट करेगा तो उसे कहां से करना है? ये अभी ये लाइव स्ट्रीम के नीचे में आपको एक डिपॉजिट का फंक्शन दिख रहा होगा, वहां पे 2 बॉल है, एक है डिपॉजिट और एक है टेक अ ट्रेड। तो अगर जब वो डिपॉजिट के फंक्शन पे क्लिक करके डिपॉजिट करेगा, अमाउंट कुछ भी हो सकता है, मिनिमम अमाउंट कोई मिनिमम अमाउंट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। वो $1 करे, $2 करे, 3 करे, 4 करे, $5 करे, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। वो कितना भी डिपॉजिट करे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर पहला डिपॉजिट सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम फंक्शन के डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन से ही होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अब ये तीसरी कंडीशन है कि उसे 5 ट्रेड पूरे करने हैं। अब ये 5 ट्रेड कैसे? 5 ट्रेड कोई भी हो सकते हैं, चाहे वो प्रॉफिटेबल रहे चाहे वो लॉस वाले रहे, ऐसा कोई कंडीशन नहीं कि 5 प्रॉफिट के या फिर 5 लॉस के, ऐसा कोई कंडीशन नहीं है। आप समझो फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे एंट्री ले लिया और विद इन 1 मिनट के अंदर मैंने एग्जिट भी कर लिया, फिर भी उसे एक ट्रेड काउंट किया जाता है। चाहे आप ऐसे 5 ट्रेड ले लो फिर भी वो 5 ट्रेड काउंट होंगे, चाहे आप 1-1 घंटे के ट्रेड लो, 2-2 घंटे के ट्रेड लो, आप जितना देर रखना है उतना देर रख लो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो ट्रेड जरूर काउंट होती है, वो ट्रेड काउंट होगी फॉर वेरी वेरी श्योर, ठीक है। ठीक है, वो ट्रेड काउंट होगी। अब इसके बाद में ये 3 इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कंडीशन है, इसके बाद ये जब पूरे हो जाएंगे, इनवाइट कोड हो गया, पहला डिपॉजिट खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद उसने 5 ट्रेड ले लिए, उसके बाद जैसे ये तीनों कंडीशन मैच हो जाती है, तब जाके आपको आपका 20, 30, 40 या 50% का जो भी कमीशन, जितने भी आप लोग बुलाते हो, उसके हिसाब से आपको आपका कमीशन मिल जाएगा। सिंपल, समझ में आ गया? ये हो गया रिवॉर्ड। ठीक है, मैंने बोला 3 रिवॉर्ड है जीबिट के ऐप में। पहला था वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी जो लकी स्पिन से मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है। दूसरा था 20 USDT का बोनस जो आपको फ्री ट्रेड देगा, और तीसरा है ये रेफरल कमीशन। ये 3 रिवॉर्ड हो गए। अब इसके बाद मैंने बोला कि यहाँ पे 2 फीचर है, 2 फीचर में से एक फीचर मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम का बता दिया है कि यहाँ पे एक बंदा बैठा हुआ है जो कि अभी फिलहाल कंडीशन में मैं हूं, जो आपकी मदद करना चाहता है। जो जहां पे भी आपको आपकी क्रिप्टो जर्नी में कोई भी तकलीफ आती है, आपको चीजें नहीं समझ रही है, आपको ट्रेडिंग सीखना है, आपको कुछ भी डाउट है, कोई भी डाउट है, आप बिंदास होके यहाँ पे लाइव स्ट्रीम में पूछ सकते हो। इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, ठीक है। ये आपका पहला फीचर हो गया। अब दूसरा फीचर क्या है? दूसरा फीचर का नाम है, जो ऐप के अंदर आपको दिखता है, उसका नाम है AI कॉन्ट बॉट। AI कॉन्ट बॉट, ओके, ठीक है। ये एक AI कॉन्ट बॉट है जो फीचर अभी जीबिट में बहुत रिसेंटली आया हुआ है। ये फीचर बहुत यूजफुल फीचर है, क्योंकि देखो हमें हमेशा एक कॉमन सा ना एक डाउट आता है कि यार मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि ट्रेंडिंग कॉइन कौन सी है, ऐसी कौन से कॉइन में ट्रेड करूं कि मेरा पैसा दुगना तिगना 4 गुना 5 गुना 6 गुना हो जाए। ऐसे कौन से कॉइन में ट्रेड करूं जहां पे सारे लोग उसी कॉइन में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं और उसका जो प्राइस है वो बढ़ते 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 ही जा रहा है। मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि ये कौन सा, ऐसे कौन से कॉइन है। तो जीबिट का ये फीचर है जिसे हम बोलते हैं AI कॉन्ट बॉट। अब ये क्या करेगा, ये आपको जीबिट के अंदर लास्ट 1 आवर में, 1 घंटे में ऐसे कितने ट्रेंडी कॉइन है वो सबके नाम बता देगा कि ये एक्स, ये 1 2 3 4 या 5 6 जितने भी कॉइन है, ये अभी 1 घंटे में ट्रेंड कर रहे थे, इसमें सारे लोग एंट्री ले रहे थे, ये आपको बता देगा। तो आपको खुद होके वो ऐसे कॉइन ढूंढने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि यार मैं किस कॉइन में ढूंढूं, मैं किस कॉइन में ट्रेड लूं, मैं कैसा ट्रेड लूं, मैं कहां ट्रेड लूं। इसका सवाल, इस सवाल का जवाब आपको ये दे देगा AI कॉन्टबॉट। पिछले 1 घंटे में कितने कॉइन ट्रेंडिंग पे थे, ये आपको सारे उन कॉइन की नाम और डिटेल बता देगा, जो जो कॉइन ट्रेंडिंग में थे जिसमें आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो। समझ में आ गया ये चीज? बड़ी सिंपल सी चीज है। पांचों चीज समझ में आएगी। 5 ऑफर थे हमारे पास, जिसमें से 3 रिवॉर्ड है और 2 फीचर है। 3 रिवॉर्ड में से पहला था अपना जो क्रिप्टो एसेट आपको फ्री मिलता है, जो आपको क्रिप्टो कॉइन मिलता है, चाहे वो स्टेबल हो सकता है, चाहे वो अल्ट हो सकता है, और चाहे वो मीम हो सकता है। मिलना तो जरूरी है, तीनों में से कुछ एक तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा फॉर श्योर। दूसरा रिवॉर्ड था अपना, जिसमें अपन 20 USDT बोनस फ्री गिफ्ट करते हैं आपको, जिससे आप फ्री ट्रेड ले सकते हो फ्यूचर के। इसमें स्पॉट के लिए नहीं है, वो सिर्फ फ्यूचर के लिए, सिर्फ पहला ट्रेड ले सकते हो, ठीक है। उसके बाद तीसरा था कि रेफरल कमीशन, जिसमें आप सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों, परिवार, अपने ऑफिस के कलीग, इन सब लोगों को इनवाइट करके आप कमीशन कमा सकते हो, फ्री का पैसा कमा सकते हो। अब उसके बाद में थे 2 रिवॉर्ड, 2 फीचर। अब 2 फीचर में 2 फीचर कौन से थे? एक था जिसमें लाइव स्ट्रीम में एक बंदा बैठा हुआ है, जिसको जो फिलहाल अभी मैं हूं, जो आपकी क्रिप्टो जर्नी के लिए हेल्प करता है। एक गाइड बैठा हुआ है, आपको कोई भी चीज में डाउट आता है कि आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही, ट्रेडिंग ट्रेडिंग करना ही नहीं आता है, बिल्कुल नहीं आता है, कि आज ही मैं उठ के जिंदा हुआ हूं और मुझे ट्रेडिंग के बारे में सीखा, फिर भी आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो। आप लेजिटली अगर जीरो पे हो, बैठे हुए हो जीरो, कि आपको कोई नॉलेज ही नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या है ये हरी कैंडी, रेड कैंडी, ये वो नहीं समझ में आ रही है, ये क्या है, ये कैंडल क्या है, ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं, ये मार्केट ऊपर क्यों जा रही है, नीचे क्यों जा रही है, क्या है ये, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, फिर भी आप इसमें पूछ सकते हो कि मुझे मार्केट एनालिसिस समझाओ, मुझे ट्रेडिंग करना सिखाओ, मुझे एंट्री ढूंढना सिखाओ, मुझे कौन से कॉइन में कहाँ ट्रेड करते हैं वो सिखाओ, कौन से टाइम पे ट्रेड करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए। ये सारी की नॉलेज भी आपको लाइफ में मिलती है। इसके साथ साथ अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट आता है जिबिट के ऐप के अंदर कि जिबिट के ऐप में कोई एरर है कि आपका विड्रॉल प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा है, आपका डिपॉजिट नहीं हो रहा है, आपका कोई तकलीफ हो रही है, आपका ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, या कुछ भी तकलीफ आती है जिबिट के ऐप में समझने के लिए कि ये फीचर है, ये फीचर मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा है कि लिमिट ऑर्डर किसको बोलते हैं, ये ट्रिगर ऑर्डर किसको बोलते हैं, ये फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में होता क्या है, ये स्पॉट और फ्यूचर में डिफरेंस क्या है, ये आपको अगर कोई भी चीजें नहीं समझ में आती है तो प्लीज खुल के ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे कमेंट में बताओ, बिकॉज ये आपके लिए है। ये मुझे आती है ट्रेडिंग, मुझे पता है क्या करते हैं मार्केट में। मैं अपने आप को समझाने के लिए नहीं बैठा हूं यहाँ पे, मैं आपको समझाने के लिए बैठा हूं यहाँ पे। तो आपको जो भी डाउट आता है प्लीज खुल के यहाँ लाइव स्ट्रीम में बताए कि मुझे ये डाउट है, मुझे वो डाउट है, मुझे ये नहीं समझ रहा है, मुझे ये नहीं समझ रहा है। ये आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है। कल को जीवेट का दिमाग घुमा, उन्होंने कर दिया कि अरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में अभी पैसा लगेगा, अगर आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम देखनी है तो आपको 10 यूएसडी देना पड़ेगा, तो क्या करोगे ना। जहां फ्री में कुछ नॉलेज मिल रही है ले लो, कर लो। फिर अगर कल आके कुछ पैसा देने लग गए कि अगर ये नहीं यार इनको तो पैसा मांगते हैं, ये तो पैसे वाले हो गए ऐसा ऐसा, फिर तब क्या करोगे। तब तो ना नॉलेज गेन कर पाओगे ना ही ट्रेड ले पाओगे जब तक तुम 10 यूएसडी देते नहीं हो। अगर अभी ये वाली सिचुएशन में है ऐसा कि यार तुम सिर्फ फ्री में देख रहे हो, सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, आपको आपका एक्शन दिखाना है जो है कमेंट करके कि यार टक 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 क्वेश्चन मार्क सेंड, मैं हूं यहाँ पे सॉल्व करने के लिए सारी चीजें। ठीक है। अब इसके बाद में लास्ट फीचर था जो मैंने अपने स्क्रीन पे बनाया हुआ है, एआई कॉन्ट बॉट। अभी एआई कॉन्ट बॉट क्या करता है, एआई कॉन्ट बॉट आपके 1 घंटे में, पिछले 1 घंटे में ऐसे कौन से कॉइन थे जो बहुत ट्रेंड कर रहे थे। ट्रेंड कर रहे थे मतलब क्या होता है कि ऐसे कौन से कॉइन है जो बहुत सारे ये जो लोग हैं मतलब ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग इस कॉइन में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, इसका वैल्यू एक तो बढ़ रहा है बहुत या फिर घट रहा है। ओके। ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ साइड में जा रहा है, कोई मूवमेंट नहीं दिख रहा है, सिर्फ साइड साइड में जा रहा है, ऐसा कोई कॉइन नहीं। ठीक है। तो इनमें क्या करना चाहिए ये आपको एआई कॉइन बता देगा कि कौन से 1 घंटे में ऐसे कौन से कॉइन थे जो ट्रेंडिंग पे थे, आप उनको पिक करके आप उसमें ट्रेड कर सकते हो। समझ में आ गई बात, बड़ी सिंपल सी बात थी। ठीक है। ओके ना, हम आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक चीज मैं बता देना चाहता हूं कि मेरे जितने भी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे लोग हैं, एवरीबडी ऑन माई लाइव स्ट्रीम है हाय का, हाय का। वेलकम यूजर 384654, वेलकम यूजर 401601, वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय का, हाय बीटीसी। बीटीसी के बारे में जानना है, पूरा सवाल पूछा करो ना, पूरा पूरा सवाल पूछा करो। बीटीसी, बीटीसी के बारे में जानना है, हाँ नहीं। ठीक है। तो मैं एक चीज आपको बता देना चाहता हूँ, मेरे जितने भी लाइव स्ट्रीम में लोग हैं मैं उन सबको एक चीज बता देना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में आप अगर एक्टिव रहते हो, एक्टिव का मतलब क्या होता है कि आप यहाँ पे रहते हो, आप देख रहे हो मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम, आप कमेंट कर रहे हो मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में और 2 फंक्शन है जिसको बोलते हैं एक डिपॉजिट और एक टेकर ट्रेड। जब जब मैं लाइव ट्रेड देता हूं तो आपको टेकर ट्रेड पे क्लिक करके मेरे साथ में ट्रेड लेनी है, और जब जब मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि डिपॉजिट करो, अच्छा पैसा की अच्छा ट्रेड लेंगे, बड़ा ट्रेड लेंगे, तो आपको वो डिपॉजिट करना है। जब भी आप पूरे मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आज ही, कभी भी आप डिपॉजिट करना चाहते हो आप सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम फंक्शन से करो। ठीक है। अगर ऐसा करते हो तो मैं क्या देता हूं आपको, अगर आप सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम फंक्शन से ये करते हो डिपॉजिट, तो आपको मिलता है एक फ्री यूएसडीटी रिवॉर्ड या फिर ऑफर। अब वो क्या हो सकता है तीनों में से मुझे भी नहीं पता है, मैं वो मिस्टीरियसली हफ्ते टू हफ्ते डालता रहूंगा, पर उसका मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया बता दे रहा हूं मैं। ठीक है। मैं आता हूं हफ्ते में 5 दिन, फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे और ट्यूसडे, ये 5 दिन मैं अपनी लाइव ट्रेडिंग करता हूं। ठीक है। अगर इस समय में मेरे 12 से 4 के टाइम पे अगर आप डिपॉजिट करते हो, वो भी 5 दिन में से, एटलीस्ट क्राइटेरिया 3 है, अगर 5 दिन में से 3 बार डिपॉजिट करते हो 3 हफ्ते में, सॉरी 5 दिन में 3 दिन में आप डिपॉजिट करते हो, आप पिक कर सकते हो आज किया कल नहीं किया, आज किया कल नहीं किया और फिर एक बार कर लिया, वो आप कैसे भी कर सकते। एक दिन में 3 बार कर दो उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, बट डिपॉजिट मुझे दिखने चाहिए कि एक बंदे ने 3 या उससे ज्यादा बार डिपॉजिट किया है, तब जाके मैं आपको क्या करता हूं, मैं आपको एक रिवॉर्ड देता हूं, जो एक तो फ्री यूएसडीटी में प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूं, या फिर कोई रिवॉर्ड दे सकता हूं जिसमें आपको एक क्रिप्टो टोकन मिल जाएगा, या एक ऐसा ऑफर दे दूंगा जो एक अच्छा ऑफर रहेगा, जो आपका एक तो ट्रांजैक्शन मनी नहीं लेगा, एक जो आपको एक फी देना पड़ता है, ट्रांजैक्शन फी या ये सब फी, मैं वो आपका माफ करवा दूंगा। ये सब चीजें मैं यहाँ पे करा सकता हूं ओनली अगर आप एक्टिव हो। अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में एक्टिव हो तो, अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में एक्टिव नहीं हो, आप 5 दिन में 3 से ज्यादा बार डिपॉजिट नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आपके लिए ये रिवॉर्ड नहीं है। ये रिवॉर्ड फ्री यूजिटी पाने के लिए कम से कम हफ्ते में 3 बार डिपॉजिट करना बहुत जरूरी है, वो भी मेरे ही लाइव स्ट्रीम के अंदर। Okay, the thing I'm explaining to all of you people right now is that you need to be the most active person on my live stream. How can you be the most active person on my live stream? That you need to, whenever you are doing a deposit, taking a trade, or commenting, because there are 3 functions on the live stream: comment, deposit, take a trade. You can see the deposit, take a trade option down, and also comment is also down. Okay, so if you are using my live stream functions often, for example, the deposit option, if you're depositing, I come live 5 days. Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In this 5 days, if you are depositing your XYZ amount of deposit, doesn't matter how many, how much, $1, two, three, four, five, six, whatsoever you are depositing, if you're depositing 3 or more time, then and then only you are eligible for the criteria of getting free rewards, free USDT, and free offers from my side. If you do not deposit more than 3 times, or you deposit just 2, 1, that's not gonna give you free USDT. Okay, you have to pay some prices for getting free stuffs. Before, once you join the Zbit, you get the free 5 rewards, 5 offers. But after that, whenever you're coming on this live stream, if you deposit 3 or more time, then and then only you'll be receiving a free USDTs. And that too, make sure, understand this thing, then you need to do it from the live stream function, which you can see at the bottom. The click on the deposit and deposit the option and have a chance to win a free USDT from my side. Got it? Very simple, very easy to understand. Cool. Okay. So now let's, I will start the challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. That's the challenge which we are hoping for right now, that turning that 10 USDT into 1000. Is it possible? Is it going to be is it going to be easy? Is it going to be hard? What kind of trades we have to take? What kind of leverage we will be taking? What kind of position we'll be opening? Everything we will discuss right in this platform after this short break. After this short break, I will be explaining you every of those stuffs, every of those market analysis. We'll do market analysis together, and we will also be using that 10 USDT into my account and start doing trading in the Zbit, and we'll see if we can turn the 10 into 1000. Okay, so I'll be right back after one short break. Yes.
Okay, so let's start our day two of the challenge of making money in the Zbit, turning that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Let me just log in into my account. I will log in and then we will start our journey. Zero. Okay, I've logged in. Let's take trades. Okay, so right now we are gonna start our challenge day two, in which we will be doing again the same thing. We will try to find the best entries in the market right now, and we'll try to figure out what kind of entry we can have, what kind of market we can achieve, and every other things. Okay, first of all, let's just mark some zones till where we can achieve a profit. This uh, supply zone in the market. Okay, and as we can see in the market, we are watching that market has shifted from a little downtrend to the little uptrend. But let me just check in a 1 day what it looks in a 1 day. In a 1 day we can only see one very specific thing. Okay, let me just delete everything. Let me just mark one thing. On a daytime frame, it doesn't even look like it has shifted to an uptrend. It looks just one retracement, what we call as like making a lower high. That's all it looks in a daytime frame. Okay, and we'll mark one zone over here till where we can opt for a buy trade. This is that zone which we can opt for a buy trade. We will check out the same thing in the 4 hours. 4 hours is little above on this side. Mhm. What about 1 hour? It's still same again, but there is one more here, which is this one. I do. This one I made in a 1 day time frame. Let it be in a 1 day time frame. Let's go with 4 hour one, a different. Is this 1 hour is almost the same. The previous fair value gap from the trend right now is starting to be a up. The change of character. Okay. So from here, let's go for bit buy situation, market order, 100%. Let's go for open long 50. It's confirm. I'll wait for just one moment. Just give me one moment. What time it is? It will close in 10 minutes. Okay. After 10 minutes, we can enter in the market. There is one this zone and one is this zone. There are two zones. One, two. Yes, A1. It is bigger than that. Why? Oh, why? Order value cannot be less than 86.3 USDT. I am putting 50x of leverage. 50x of leverage is bigger than what you expect. 100% 12 into 50, it will be more than 86.3 USDT. Then still why? See Ethereum. Success. Okay. We have entered in the market in Ethereum for a long trade. Let's see where this trade goes now. Let me delete the previous things. This line, this line, this line. You can check out the P&L over here. This is a profit and loss scenario, profit and loss. I want to decide my take profit at the price of 2850.71. 2850.71. 2850.71. That's my trigger. SL I want to keep it. SL I don't want to keep. But just for a safe case scenario, safe end, SL will keep it at the last candle's low 2790. 2790. Yeah. trigger will be 2850.971. And then SL will be 2790. Price 100%. Estimate loss is -1. Estimate profit is $1. $1.6 will earn if our target is hit. Okay, let's set it. Our take profit is set, our SL is set. Now, if we earn a profit, we'll be earning 1.6 USDT of profit. Now you can clearly see, like if you take a very less amount of like very very less investment, 12 investment, $12 I made, and if the movement gives me that price hike up, then I will be just receiving how much? I will be just receiving 1.6 USDT, nothing else, just pure 1.6. Okay, we are still in the profit. We are in the profit of 0.08 USDT profit. You can check the profit from this point. I have entered at Ethereum, where you can achieve, where you can grow, where you can have the profit of 1.6 USDT. Because I'm starting with 12. Okay, 12 is a very less amount to start, but still we have started a challenge. We have started a challenge. I have invested my 12 USDT into the Ethereum market and trying to gain the price of 1.6. So it will become 13. From 12 USDT, I will grow 13 USDT. Okay. Now it's just the patience game. We have to have a patience because we have entered into the market of Ethereum. You can clearly see over here live trade. This is my position. Open position is over here. Position one is open, and you can here see the price of what price is rising and every of those things. You can check it out over here. Let me also check XRP. Everybody's having the same scenario. My next trade, I would love to take it in some cheaper coin so that I can buy in heavy quantity and get a good amount of profit. For first, it is fine. We have entered in Ethereum. That's totally fine. But we have entered in the Ethereum and Ethereum long trade. Okay, and this is a target, very small target. I want to keep for right now, as there are no retailers in the market. Okay, sorry, there are no big players in the market. That's why I am taken a very small target. Okay. That's the target, and this is our entry point from over here. Long position, I've entered somewhere from here. Target is this, very small, not a big one. My SL is over here. 1:2 risk reward ratio we are having. Okay, just plain simple 1:2 risk reward ratio we are having at right now point. We are at 0.091, $0.028 profit. Maybe in the next trade, I will increase the quantity because this is very less quantity to trade up. $12. If I hit my target, I'll be receiving 1.6 USDT profit. Very huge amount of profit. Let's go. Let's see if we can achieve that target or not. Right now, we are having 0.041850 USDT profit. This is a challenge day 2. Okay, let's keep watching the market. We have entered at Ethereum. I hope you all people are also entering at the same point. Deposit 10 USDT. I took a 10x of leverage. I didn't took much. I just took 10x of leverage. As I wanted to just start, I want to take a 10x of leverage. In the next trade, I will increase everything. I will increase the leverage. I will increase each and every of those things. Okay. 0.037 USDT profit. Welcome user 428265. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome user 39333349. Welcome. I have taken an Ethereum buy side trade. For Ethereum, I went for buy side trade. Okay, for long, basically long. I opened a long in the Ethereum. Target is 287 something, 287 something is the target. And if you achieve this target is completed, we are earning 1.6 USDT profit. Let's see what kind of profit we'll earn. Either we have loss of $1 or either we have profit of $1.6. 27922. 27922. Let's keep it at 272. What is it? 2792.22. What is my target? 2851.20. 2851.20. 2851.20. 2792.22. If I gain 1.6 USDT. If I lose 0.9 USDT. Let's see. Stop loss. My stop loss is at 2792.22. 2792.22. That is the stop loss. User 8072. Sorry, user 809270. That is my stop loss. Please make sure to click on the deposit and deposit the option of 10 and start the journey with me of 10, changing that 10 into 1000. Every day we'll do it. Okay, every day we can make it possible. And in the meanwhile time, if you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. Okay, do ask me on the comment section what is, if you are having any doubt, anything, do not get afraid. 0.175 USDT minus we are going at right now. We need every day 3% of market. If we capture every day 3% of market in Ethereum, then it is possible for us to achieve 10 into 1000 USDT. If we capture 3% of market every day, that too in our favor. If I said long and long is happening in 3% every day, 3%, then yes, we can achieve that goal. 3% should be, this is 3%. That amount of growth we need. There was a fair value gap over here, yeah. Shit. I should enter from here, I feel. Entry. Dun, 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 dun. I should have entered from two position to I think I'll close my trade. Close long. Little rejection, give me little rejection. I want to enter from a new position. succeeded. Open. Let's open our long position. From here, let's keep our target over here. At the end of the fair value gap, 1:3 is reward ratio. Let's do this. Let's do this situation. First situation didn't work. I took out my trade. I want to enter again. Wait, wait, wait. This is that breakout we received. Didn't continue. I want to enter from fair value gap again. I really feel like this was just a sentiment trading and market is falling down for the fair value gaps. Fair value gap FVG number 1 and FVG number 2. Two fair value gaps. Will enter from the fair value gap position. So it is falling down for the fair value gap. So now long. Small tap is not gonna work. Give me a bigger tap. Give me a bigger tap. Come down. Come more down. Or let's set a limit order at 280.2, 2802.75. 2802.75. WebSocket. I have taken a limit order which is set on 2800.21, my buy entry long, and my SL is kept at 27 something. I forgot the SL. Okay. Let's go for it now. Limit order. Oh yes, little more close, little more close, little more close. $3 more close, my entry will be executed. I know you got insight. I know you have it inside. Don't do this. 800, yes. More. Come more. A little more. My order will get executed at this point. 2800.21. 2800.21 is my limit order where my order will get execute. Very close. Very close. Very close. Come on, more down. Execute my order. No, 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 no. Come. A little more. Execute my order. I don't want this. I don't want this. Execute my order. Don't go from there. Execute my order. I want you to execute my order. If it becomes a low situation of wow. Come on. I know you got it inside. $3 more, $3 more, $3 more, $3 more, $3 more, $3 more, $3 more. Oh yes, let's go. Just $3 more, $3 more dollar down, and my order will get executed. Three, $4 more down to execute my order. I know you need money. I know you need my money. Welcome user 773585. I have taken trade in Ethereum. I have started my day 2 of the challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. So I have today for that I've taken my first entry in Ethereum. I'm hoping to get some percentage. I have put a limit order by the way. Okay, so my order is not executed. My order will get executed at 2800.21. My order will get executed. Right now we are $3 above. Once market drops more $3, my order will get executed. More $3. Let's go. More $3. Let's go. It will drop. It will drop. I believe in it. Push. Push, Mona. Push. User 449250, welcome on the live stream. Please do take a trade with me. I've started the challenge. of turning that 10 USDT into 1000. Today is day 2, and I want you all people to take a trade in Ethereum with me. I've set a limit order at the price of 2800.21. So if the market don't get to 2800.21, my order will not execute. There are still $3 less, $3 more drop we need for my order to get execute. $3 more drop. 3. It is possible. It is very, very, very possible to get $3 more drop. Okay, $2 more drop. Just $2 more. $1, $1 drop, $1 drop, $1 drop, just $1 drop. One, one, one. Come more down, 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 come more down. Have patience. It will come. Have patience. It will come. It will come. Very close. 2800. Just $2 drop, $1 drop, $2 drop, $2 drop. We can have that $2 drop. We can have it. We can have $2 drop. Slowly it will come, but make sure it will come for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. $4 drop. Why it was so close? It was so close. It will come. Do not worry regarding that. Okay, it will come to our expected price range. $5 more drop. Why it is having a rejection? I want rejection as well from the bottom, but at least get my order execute at 2800. $6 rejection. Come on, come on. Yeah. Don't reject now. Don't reject now. Uh, why? Why? Come on. $7 drop. Now 8. I was at least expecting the drop by that moment. Why it is rejecting at so high price? Now it became 10. 02802. Oh, drop again. Drop again. Drop again. Drop again. PWDs. Let's see this. Two seven nine nine 12. Success. Let's see. $10 drop. I've adjusted a little. I made from 202800. Welcome user 592519. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I have entered in the market in the limit order. My limit order is set at 2802. You can see this is the price I'm going to enter 2802. Right now it is $9 up, but it is coming down again. I will execute my trade at 2802. That is the trade where my trade will execute for long position. My target is 2850.20 and SL is 2789.12. Simple. More $8. Come on, $8 down. $6 more down. Sorry, $6 more down, and my order will get executed. Welcome user 714902. Enter in the Ethereum. Entry price is 2802. Target price 2850.20. SL 2789.12. This is your all the conditions. Enter. $8 more drop, $6 more drop, and we will enter in the market. $6 more drop, 7, $5 more. We just need $5 more drop, nothing else. We need $5 more drop. Okay, $3 more drop, $3 more drop. Our order will get executed. $3 more drop, $3 more drop, $3 more drop, $2 more drop, just $2 more drop in it. We don't need much, we just need $2 more drop. 3 drag got me fucked up. 3 drag. Again it went up. $3 drop. $3. Come on. $3 more drop. And our order will get executed. $3 more drop. Nothing else. $3 more drop. Can we accept 3? $2 more drop, $1 more drop, just one more. Our order will get executed. Just $1 more drop, $1 drop, one. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. $1 drop, $1 drop, $2 drop. Again, $2 drop. How much drop do we need? Three. Come on, come on. 80. $2 drop. I know you need my money. $2 more drop we need to enter. Order is not yet executed. Still playing. Just one more dollar drop and we will be inside the market. Our order will get execute if the market drops one more dollar. One more dollar. Yes. Yes, I know. Just 0.6, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Come on, 0.3, 0.3, hey, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, and it became 3. $1 drop. Come on, guys. $1 drop is achievable. Two more dollar drop. Order is not yet executed. Again, such a huge up. Why? 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 0.3. It was 0.3. The most least 0.3 drop. Seven $6 drop. We need more for market to go down. $6 more drop. $6 more because I don't want to enter at high price. I want to enter at cheap price where it can travel. It is traveling. Last time it was just $0.3 left, $0.3 left for market to execute my trade, but it didn't execute. 940256. How to use it? How to use it? What do you want to use? User 940256. You are saying, you are asking, you want to use it. What you want to use it? You want to use future trading, you want to use ZBIT, you want to use SL, you want to use the long position, you want to use short. There are so many things you can use. Be very specific of what you are asking. What do you want to use? Again, it went $10 up. Shall I change it again to 2803 this time? Will it work? Do you think changing it to 203 this time will change? Should I change it? I think let's change it. Let's change it the last time. Let's change it to 2803. Last time. We'll do it last time. 2803. Execute. Size 100%. Trigger order is 2850.20. SL is 2789.12. This is the last time. Okay, this is the last time. Let's open it again. Let's open it again. Or executed at 2803. Now let's see if at 2803 our order will get execute or 2803. 2803. 2803. 2803. This time, so I'm very pretty sure that it will be get executed because 2803. Okay, I have made $1 more extra less. Should be done. $7 more drop down the market and we can execute our trade at Ethereum. $7 more drop. Limit order. Do your work. One limit order. Do your job. $7 more drop down. Seven. Just seven. Just seven. Just seven. Welcome user 846836. Welcome on the live stream. Thanks so much for being a part. I'm waiting for more $7 drop in the market so that my order will get executed at 803. 2803. I'm waiting for that drop so that market will execute my trade at 2803. Do not forget to deposit. There is an option of deposit. Do not forget to deposit. Click on the deposit option and deposit your trade. Do not forget that. Okay. Make sure to do the deposit. Make sure that you are doing the deposit. Welcome everybody on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. It will drop. See, it is coming and is going often. Two time it has already dropped till 2803. That's why now I have kept it to 2803. It almost came close to 2802.3. My order was kept at 2802. 0.3 USDT. It didn't drop down, and that's why my order didn't got execute. But I'm having high hopes on this. High hopes with this. really high hopes that this time 2803 will get executed and we will achieve the target, because this is a challenge day. We are achieving 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. We are doing. Welcome user 516210. Thank you so much for joining. In meanwhile, if you have any doubts, anything you want to ask, how to do trading, everything, please ask in the comment section. I have placed a limit order. That's why my order is not executed yet. My order will get execute at 2803. Welcome user 190073. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I have placed a limit order at 2803. Welcome user 846836. Just $5 more drop and we will be inside the market. Just $5 more drop. Hi, user 846836. Hello. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Please make sure that you are doing this challenge with me. Deposit, click on the live stream deposit. You can see there is function of deposit. Click on that, deposit 10 USDT and wait for 10 days. We'll do the live trading and we'll achieve 10 to 1000. See, just more $4 drop and we will be inside the market. We will achieve a profit inside the market if the market falls just four more dollar drop. Just $4 drop, nothing else. We require only $4 drop. $3 drop. $4 drop. $4 drop. That's all. $4 drop. Four, 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 three, three, three. Last is three. Just welcome user 173059. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. We are waiting for our entry. Our entry will be executing soon. Welcome user 872819. Be a part of the challenge of 10 USDT into which is gonna turn into 1000. Be a part of this challenge. Do not forget to do this challenge with me on the live stream. Waiting for my entry. Ethereum entry will be pushed soon. Just $3 more drop and we will be inside the market. Next candle is continuing. Okay, one more dollar drop. One more dollar drop. 0.8, 0.8, 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1.2, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 1.6. Okay, come on, come on. More drop, more drop, more drop, more drop, more drop, more drop. Don't go in this buy situation this before me getting executed into the market. Little more drop, $3 drop. Patience. Patience is the key. $2 more drop, $2 more drop. Why it has to be such a tight fight? 1.5, 1.4, 1.5, drop it down, 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 down. 1 dollar, $1, 0.9, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.7. Come on, 0.6. Come on, come on, come on. 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. Just unexecuted. My order is executed. It is, right? Yeah, my order is executed. My position is opened. Finally, finally, the position is opened. Now we are in a long position and our target is executed. Finally, we have executed our order. Okay, so we are in the profit right now of 0.58%, 0.09 USDT profit. I'm hoping to get what amount I will be getting if I use that target. My target is, wait a second, I'm on the side row. What's my target? 2850, 2789. 2850.20. SL is 2789 and something. Confirm. I can earn 4 USDT or I can lose 1.2 USDT. That's the thing. If I achieve my target, I can earn 4 USDT, and if I lose, I will lose 1 USDT. 1 is to 4 is reward basically. I lose 1 or I gain 4. That is 1 is to 4 risk reward ratio. Let's go. Finally the order is executed. Happy for that. After so long time I was waiting for the market to come. See, patience is the key. I entered at a very cheap price. I entered at 2803. I entered at the very bottom price. People might lose patience and enter at somewhere here and there, but no. You have to keep yourself as a patience, and the market will come back to you. Okay, have patience. The patience worked. 0.202803 order executed. It is executed. I'm having 1.7% of profit ratio right now. 0.2 USDT profit. Let's go. Now just wait is for the target to achieve, for target to complete. 0.93, almost 0.11 USDT. Hello, I'm a newbie. How can I trade here? So what do you want to trade? The question is that you can have a two trade option over here. User 150061. There are two options. One is future trading and second is spot trading. Right now, the thing I'm doing is I'm doing a future trading over here, in which if you are new, you don't know what future trading is. I will let me tell you that in the future trading, we do not buy or sell any of the cryptocurrency. Okay. Then what do we do is we invest our money, we put our money on prediction of the price. whether the price can go up or whether the price can fall down. So in the future market, you can earn in both way just by doing prediction. Even if the market is falling and you predict that yes, a price can fall right now, you can earn a profit. Right now, I did a prediction that the price can go up. I never bought anything. I never bought Ethereum or something. This is just a price prediction whether the price can go or price can fall. That's all. Okay, this is the future trading over here. And if you don't understand this, like margin, there are margin, there is leverage. I have taken 20x of leverage over here. Open long means you are predicting that the price can go up. Open short means that you are predicting the price may fall down. Okay, this is not buy or sell, this is long short prediction of the price. Okay, and if you have any more doubt, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. Right now, I'm doing a future trading. Decide which kind of trading you want to do first, whether you want to do spot or whether you want to do a future trading. Future trading is very easy, very effortless. You don't have to buy or sell anything. Okay, you just have to predict if the price can go up or fall. In this, you can earn in both the side. Even if the market is falling, still you can make profit. Even if the market is going up, you still can make profit. Okay, and you have any difficulty in understanding what is limit order, market order, trigger order, any of those order, please do ask. I will help you understanding those things. Okay, because I need to know how new you are. I am a newbie. How can I trade here? Okay, so I need to know what kind of newbie are. Like you newbie in the way you don't know trading at all, or you know some part of it and you want to know the features of the Zbit, like how to use Zbit app for future trading. Okay, please tell me user 15 prediction, and what is the second one? Predict. See, there is two market we trade on. Okay, see, one is spot market in which we directly buy or sell. Like the same way you go in the shop, you buy gold, you give him money and he gives him, I don't know at all. Woo! You don't know at all. Nice. So we have to go way back in from the beginner stage of understanding what is candles. Like the market, we have to understand the every basic thing of what is green candle, what is red candle, what kind of pattern it makes, what is this line. This is called as resistance line. This is fair value gaps which I've drawn. These green blocks are fair value gaps. It's like we have to understand in the way back situation because you don't know at all. Let me just give you a little small gist of it and I will show you how you can understand it from the beginner. Like you're at a zero level, still you can understand in 1 to 2 weeks, you can fulfill all the trading. Okay, first let's understand this, that there are two types of trading in Zbit. One is spot trading. What do you mean by spot trading? Spot trading means that you are buying and selling something. For example, I go to iPhone shop. Okay, I gave him 1 lakh rupee. He gives me a iPhone. Okay, that is a spot trading, that I give money and I am buying a product. That product is my product. I am the owner of that product. Understood? Okay, I can sell it at whatever price. If the price goes high, I can sell it. Understood? This is spot, in which I am a owner of that coin, whichever I am buying, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, whatever I am buying, I am a owner of that. Okay, I can sell, I can keep it forever, and ever. I can keep it with myself. Whenever the price goes high, I can sell it. Okay, this is spot. Simple. Buy and sell. Buy at cheap price, sell at higher price. Simple. Okay. Now, future trading. Why do you understand my future trading is? See, in the future trading, we are not buying or selling anything. What we are doing is, have you played that casino roulette? Once the roulette gets spin, we predict that, see, I want 21 red color. So if it falls on 21 red color, you hit a jackpot. Exactly like that. A prediction. We hit a prediction on what? In cryptocurrency price. Right now, price of Ethereum is what? 2804 is the price at right now. I said that it will go above that range. Above means it will go rise like 2805, 2850, 260, 270, and blah 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 blah. That is a price is rising. That what I predicted, the price will go up. That's all. Nothing else. The most simplest thing that you just have to say whether the price can go up from the entry of yours or price can fall from the entry of yours. I took an entry of what? Can you see my entry price? This is my entry price. I took an entry at 2803. From that place, I said the price will go up. Can you see the right now price is 2807? It is above by $4. I am having profit. Okay. That is future trading, the most simplest one. In the future trading, there are two benefits. One benefit is that even if, see, in the spot market, if the market is crashing down, everybody panics and they are like, fuck, I am having loss, I'm having this, and blah blah blah. But in the future trading, even if the market is crashing down, we still can make profit just by predicting that the price can fall down. In what way we predict? There are two options. Can you see one? Open long. Can you see there? See, this is future. I am in the future. This is open long and open short. Two options. Open long means that you are predicting the price will go above. Open short means that you are opening a trade for prediction that price will fall down. Simple. Okay. And there are three types of market order: limit order, market order, and trigger order. I put limit order at right now point. What do you understand by limit order? That, see, market right now is at 2807. That's the market at 2807 is the market. I don't want to enter at 2807, but I want to enter at 2803. That's what I did. I entered at 2803. Okay. So I will simply go put limit 2803. That means right now market is at 2808. $5 more it has to fall to come to 2803. Limit order will do what? It will set, like, whenever my market will come to 2803, it will execute my trade. I don't have to wait for the market to come to 2803. I just put it. Now I have to relax and I just have to watch the market when it will come down. Okay. Once the market comes to 2803, my order is open and I've started earning profit. Can you see my profit is earning 4.43% profit, almost 0.5 USDT I'm earning right now. Okay. That means that I picked my own price to enter. That is limit order. That you can pick your own price to enter in the market. But for that, you have to have a lot of patience because the market needs to come to your price. Okay. Then next is market order. Market order is very simple. It's just like whatever price is going on. If I press long at whatever price market is at right now, it will execute my trade at that price. Okay, market price. This is market price. I did XYZ whatever USDT I want to buy. I have this 100% entry. Okay, and trigger order is same like limit, that I don't want to enter at the market price, which is 2808 right now. I want to enter a little more cheaper price, but there is one catch. Okay. But there is one catch, that in the trigger order, what happens is once you put a price range that I want to enter at 2803, if there is any order over there which is nearby 2803, best price for you, it will execute that trade. Simple. If you have more doubts, please feel free to ask me. 3.77% of profit till now point. 0.4% profit. Let's go. Welcome user 471772. Welcome the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I have taken, today is the second day of the challenge. I have taken entry at Ethereum at 2803. Still in the profit, 5% profit. Profit in USDT is 0.6 USDT. If we achieve a target, it will be 4 USDT. If we lose, we will lose 1 USDT. 1:4 risk reward ratio we are carrying. Let's see. Good amount of profit. $1 profit we already achieved. Let's go. $1 profit already achieved. 8%, 8.11% of profit rate. Return on investment. $0.8 USDT profit. Almost one was there. After that, market started falling again. But we'll keep our target alive. 82850.20 is our target, which will be alive. Okay. Just 1 second. 0.7. I'll just come in 1 minute. I need to go to washroom. Just 1 minute. 1.2 USDT profit we are at in the market right now. Ethereum market, we are at 1.2 USDT profit. If I talk about in the ratio, we are at 9% ratio profit. We took a very good entry at low price. You can clearly see from that low price, market has not went 1 single% time down. It is still going up from that point, so we have entered at a very good point. That's why always keep an patience at your entry, because you are the only one control of your entry. One USDT profit till now. We are achieving, we are trying to achieve 4. This is the day 2, 6K. What do you mean by 6K? $1.1 USDT. Let's go, people. Welcome, user 973684. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. We have taken an entry at Ethereum in future trade, not the spot. Hoping to get 4 USDT. 1:4 risk reward ratio we are carrying. If either we lose $1 or either we gain $4. Still looking at 1.1 USDT profit. $1.2 USDT profit. Let's go. 1.2, still 9.95% of profit we are at, which is total of 1.27 USDT. One point one will achieve. See, today is a very slow market, but still we'll achieve our profit. You don't need to worry regarding that. We will achieve our target. 0.9. It will take too much time, even though I have to leave this stream in 3 to 4 minutes. It will take a little time for closing and everything. This target may get complete in maybe next 2 hour, maybe next 3 hour, but hopefully this target will get complete. Welcome Pandey on the live stream of GZBit, Zbit, sorry, not GZBit, Zbit.com. It's almost time for me to close this trade. Not close this trade. The trade will active. I hope you will also keep this trade active. But it's time for me to go. So I'll be leaving this live stream. Thank you so much for all the people who are in this live stream. And yes, this is the second day, and I am thinking that today we are gonna achieve $4 of profit. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you. See, today the trade is not closed. Tomorrow the trade will be maybe in the next 2 hours, maybe next 3 hours, the trade will be closed with a profit. But I will show you tomorrow what kind of profit I earned, what amount of USDT I earned, every of those things. I will make sure to write it. You can see on the screen above this challenge number day 2, and there is profit rate is 0 because we didn't take trade yesterday. Today we took it in Ethereum, and I'm hoping to get a good amount of profit from it. Okay, whatever happens in the market, even if I lose money, even if I gain profit, I will make sure to share it with you all people tomorrow. My experience of the second day challenge and the first trade which I took. Yesterday we couldn't take trade, but today we took a trade. Now let's see how it goes. Okay. I will see you guys all tomorrow, same timing, 12 to 4. I will see you all guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for